Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to another video. Today we're making chickpea nuggets for my son who does not eat meat. My chickpeas has been soaking overnight and they're ready to go. I'll have everything listed in the description box for you guys, directions and instructions. But right now I am peeling and cutting up onions and potatoes. And there he is, checking the progress. I just decided to do half of an onion. I have my chickpeas and potatoes boiling already, and now it's time to load up the food processor. Make sure when you drain your chickpeas, you give them a quick rinse, and also let your potatoes cool off a little bit before adding those. I'm gonna puree everything up. Your mixture should be nice and thick, not too wet, but not dry. If you follow the instructions correctly, you want your mixture to look something like this. You want to scoop out a tablespoon into the breadcrumbs, and you use the tablespoon instead of your hands because it'll keep your hands much cleaner rather than using your hands to scoop out little balls. I forgot to record myself doing this part. Once you have all of your nuggets lined up, drizzle a little bit of oil on top of those nuggets. I used avocado oil, and you want your oven at 400 degrees. And these are just extra nuggets that I'm gonna freeze. And here's the finished product. Let me know down below if you would try these or if you have tried these, and also any other recipe suggestions. Enjoy. Oh, and guys, I do have a fried version that I will post.